Hello and welcome to another video on how to series. In today's video, let's see in Java how to add elements to list at once. Generally, if we want to add any values in the array list, what we have is ArrayList.add and we can add the values individually. But what if I want to add all the values to the list at once? So how can we do that in Java? So let's see that in this video. So before starting, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't done yet, please hit that subscribe button below so that you will never miss any video of mine. So let's get started. To start off, so let me open my Eclipse. In this, I have a class named test. So let's create a array list first. So list equals to new array list. And let's import the list from Java utils package. And now let's say I want to add a values to this list as 1, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the values I want to add. So in general what you can write is list.add. You can say 1. In the similar way we can add till 5. Dot add of 2, this dot add of 3 and so on. But it's a very tedious process. Let's say if we want to add 100 values, so we have to write this line of code of adding list.add till 100 times. Instead of that, there is a way in which we can add all these values at once to this list. So that can be achieved by storing all these values in the array and passing that array to this array list. So let's create an array first. So I'll be creating an object array. Name it as array, and under this let's pass the values. Passing it as 1, 10. Now we want to pass all these 10 values to the list. So in Java, under the collections concept, we can make use of addall method in the collection to add values to this list. We have collections dot addall. So when you observe this addall method, let's check, it is taking 2 parameters. The parameters are C, which is the collection in which elements to be inserted, and next is elements to insert into C. So let's select this addall, and first parameter we have to give the collection name for which we want to insert the value, and here we want to add the values to this list. So let's add it as list, and next parameter we have to give the elements to pass. So we have the elements in the array. Let's pass the same. So using the single line of code, we are able to add the values to this list using the method in the collection. So let's try to print all the list values and see if those got added or not. So I'm saying the list values are plus the list. So let's run this code and see if it is working. So we got the output with the values added to this list. So in this way, we can add any number of values to the array list using the addall method in the collections. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.